Happy Saturday, everybody. Today is Strategy Saturday, and the topic is, should you exercise when you first start keto? Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful, a quick hit of low-carb truth to help you on your journey. Are you starting keto and wondering if you should hit the gym right away? Here's what I tell my clients when they first get started. Focus on fat adaptation first. When you first cut carbs out of your diet, your body is transitioning from being a sugar burner to a fat burner. That shift takes energy. Actually, there's a lot going on in your body. It takes a lot of energy. And you may feel more tired, sluggish, and even dizzy at first. That's not the time to start high-intensity workouts or push through hour-long cardio sessions. Exercise is incredible for health, no doubt about it, but timing does matter. If you push too hard too soon, you risk burnout, frustration, or even quitting. So here's my nudge. Be patient with your body. In those first few weeks, focus on walking, stretching, or gentle movement. Once your energy stabilizes and your hunger normalizes, you'll know you're fat adapted and ready to level up. So hit the subscribe button and head to my Keto Basics playlist for more support as you build a strong metabolic foundation. You don't have to do it all at once, you just have to start. And remember, first feel your body right, then move it with power and purpose. I'll see you in the next video.